Everyone, today we will be solving exercise 1A, question number 1, which says insert three rational numbers between 7 and 8. Now, here we will follow a one common procedure so that you don't get confused and it becomes easy for you. So, very simple, we are going to take whatever the number given are 7 and 8. Now, here the numbers given are 7 and 8. So we are going to take 7 and 8, we are going to add them up and divide it by 2. So it becomes 15 by 2. Now here it becomes, when we divide this further, 2 sevens are 14, 1 remaining, 7.5 is the answer. Now you may take this number. To make it simple, we will take first number and the answer obtained. Then we will take second number and the answer obtained. So we can get easily three rational numbers. So we will secondly, to find second number, we will take numbers 7 and 7.5. So when we take these two numbers, this becomes 7 plus 7.5. We will follow the same common method. हम same common method follow करने वाले हैं. So this becomes 7 plus 14.5 divided by 2. So this becomes 2 sevens are 14. Again 2 sevens are 14 and 2 fives are 10. Because 1 remains. When you divide, you will get this answer. Now again we will take this number 8 and we may take this number or this number, anyhow it will be correct only. So 8 plus 7.5 divided by 2, this becomes 15.5 divided by 2. It becomes 2 sevens are 14. Sorry, here 2 sevens are 14. It becomes 2 twos are 4. I'm sorry, and 1 remains, so this becomes 7.25, and here it becomes 2 sevens are 14, 1 remains and 5. I'm really sorry, here it becomes 2 because there is 2 sevens are 14, nothing remains, 2 twos are 4 and 5. So answer 7.5, 7.25 and 7.75 are the three rational numbers between 7 and 8. Now we will see the second sum. The number given are 9.9 and 10. These are the two numbers which are given. Now we will check. We'll follow the same procedure. So 9.9 plus 10, divide this by 2. This becomes 19.9 divided by 2. It becomes 2 nines are 18. 1 remains. 2 nines are 18. 1 remains. 2 fives are 10. So we will take these two numbers. So suppose I take 9.9 and 9.95. You may make a rough column and calculate this way if you want it much easier. 9.9 and 9.95 we have to add. Here nothing means it is a 0. 9 plus 9 becomes 18. Again 18 plus 1 becomes 19. So this becomes 19.5. So 9.9 plus 9.95, divide this by 2. It becomes 19.85 divided by 2. Again when we divide this further by 2, we get 2 nines are 18. Again 1 remains. 2 nines are 18. 2 twos are 4. 1 remains. And 2 fives are 10 when we carry out 0 there down. Again we will calculate the same to find third rational number. So if we take the numbers 10 and 9.95. You may take this number also, whichever you wish to, but we'll follow one common procedure. So you may add this way if you wish. 10 plus 9.95 divided by 2. So what would be the answer? 19.95 divided by 2, right? So this becomes 2 9s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10. So these are the three rational numbers between. So you'll conclude. Which are the three rational numbers? 1, 2 and 3. So 9.95 comma 9.925 comma 9.975 are the three rational numbers between 9.9 and 10. Now further we will see next sum, which says the numbers given are 2 and 2.01.